So here we have been given a differential equation dy by dx plus 2y tan x is equal to sin x. And here we have been given a condition also, that is y is equals to 0 when x is equals to pi by 3. This condition will be used to find out the integration constant, okay? Now if you compare this differential equation with the standard differential equation, okay, standard linear differential equation, then the value of p will be 2 tan x, okay? That is the coefficient of y, which is 2 tan x. And the value of q is sin x. Now the integrating factor is given by e raised to the power integral of p dx, okay? So put the value of p, you will get e raised to the power 2 tan x dx. Now we know that the integration of tan x is equal to ln sec x, okay, log sec x you can say. So it will be e raised to the power 2 ln sec x. Take this 2 inside, it will become ln sec square x, okay, by log property. And also we know that e to the power log x is equals to x, okay. By that property it will become sec square x, okay. So the integrating factor we get sec square x. Now the solution of linear differential equation is given by y into, that is dependent variable into integrating factor, is equals to integration of q into integrating factor dx, okay. Here y is the dependent variable where x is the independent variable, okay. Now put the value of q and integrating factor, you will get y into sec square x is equals to q into, q value is sin x. So integration of sin x into sec square x, that is the value of integrating factor. We know that sec x is equals to 1 by cos x. So sin x by cos x will become tan x, okay. So we will get y into sec square x is equals to tan x into sec x, okay. I have taken one sec x, okay. So that becomes tan x. Now the integration of tan x into sec x is equals to sec x, okay. So we will get y into sec square x is equals to sec x plus integration constant. The integration of tan x into sec x is equals to sec x. Now we can find this value of the constant by using this condition, okay. So we have the solution y sec square x is equals to sec x plus c, okay. This is the solution. Now it is given that y is equals to 0 when x is equals to pi by 3. Put the value of x and y to get the value of c. Y is equals to 0, 0 into sec square into pi by 3, value of x is pi by 3 is equal to sec pi by 3 plus c. 0 into anything is equals to 0, okay, and sec pi by 3 is equals to 2, okay, because cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So sec pi by 3 will be 2. So value of c we get c is equals to minus 2, okay. So the complete solution of this differential equation will be y sec square x is equals to sec x minus 2. I have put the value of c here, minus 2. So this is the solution. I can write this solution in other form as well. Y is equals to 1 by sec x. What I have done is I have divided by sec square x on both the side, minus 2 sec square x, okay. So it becomes y is equals to cos x, okay, 1 by sec x is equals to cos x minus 2 cos square x. So this is the solution of the given linear differential equation, okay. The first step is to find the integrating factor, okay, then use the formula y into integrating factor is equals to integration of q into integrating factor, okay.